Oh, so black. An infrared, bud.
For real?
Yes.
When Jaden gets out here, I'll do it again. He's gonna hit Rev Live with her.
Look at that. What's up? Infrared mode tonight. Oh, that looks fucking gnarly. Look at this.
That dash looks beautiful.
I'm outside.
Jaden, I don't want to sell it. Don't make me sell her. Please don't make me sell it.
Stop.
Well, you go gym after work or you go gym before work?
For your first few days, I don't know.
Yeah, stick hard, yeah.
Oh my
my
god,
God.
dude.
I didn't change from yesterday.
Refreshing.
Okay.
Get your dog away from me. What is that? Oh my.
He's excited. He's excited. Fuck, he's tired already.
He is tired. He's all excited. Oh.
We're actually we're going hunting right now. Going on a mission.
We're gonna go defend Hawaii tonight.
We're going to defend Hawaii.
Two, yeah. Bingo, bro. Have they ever?
Dude, that's probably the most. You want to train Stevens?
Dude, none of you guys fucking put in hours like I did. I promise you.
It was your
Yes.
fucking truck.
None of you fucking put in hours like I did. Oscar, get down! Fuck. Get down, get down!
Oh my gosh, bro.
Ooh, yes, we're gonna get some Chinese kitchen.
I don't think I made it.
You make it.
No, you'll make it. Listen to the guy. This is his truck.
Oscar.
Oscar!
What's the song that? I think this is like the.
No country music.
You got it.
Mushroom chicken and beef broccoli.
Can I get orange chicken and Beijing beef?
Can I get your starch?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Can I do a plate with white rice and then honey sesame chicken breast and kung pao chicken, please?
Well, I mean, I calculated it, so everything included. I like flight.
Digital. Fully digital dash.
Dude, look, I'm Ren.
Fully digital
I'm
customizable
Ren.
dash.
I'm Ren.
At a 9-inch
Ren.
infotainment center. It's a shotgun and a camera right behind me.
Can't see fucking shit out this window, bro.
Look, get it.
With the Forerunner!
Oh my god, you did it!
Right here! Look, you fucking opened it! Oh my god, it's not even fucking focused! It's wasting my footage. You're getting the back half of the camera. You missed the Celica.
Did you get that stomp ball? Dude, fucking shit. Put it up like this.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
Oscar! Oscar!
Did you drink one?
Jaden, open your food.
I'm sick.
Jaden. All of my videos are just you fucking drinking, dude.
You know, like beef pork.
先往前往先往您这里
What do you do?
I opened the fortune cookie. There's no cookie in here. Did it fall off? Dude, I think it fell off. Where the fuck is my fortune cookie?
think he's overstimulated. Oh my god, the fortune cookie first. Do you want yours?
I ate mine's already. What?
See that? I really like that one. I'm not
knocks
gonna lie.
every day. Be sure to answer. Opportunity knocks every day. Be sure to answer.
It does.
Facebook Marketplace is every day.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Man, shut up.
Invest in yourself. Oh my god. You know what's crazy? Next paycheck, $800 of it is gonna go into savings.
I'm glad you're investing in your diet. Supposed to read while you're at it.
Is he actually like laying down?
Yeah, dude, look how tired he is.
God. That's like, bro, that too was too fucking crazy. So much.
We're back. Mission success. Oh look, I never used pass. That was one sane 15-second video.